Hi everyone, in this video we will show you the best MSI monitor settings for PS5 or Xbox. First, turn on your MSI monitor and your PS5 or Xbox console. Make sure your console is connected to the monitor using a high-quality HDMI cable. If your monitor supports HDMI 2.1, use that port for the best performance. Now press the joystick or menu button on your MSI monitor to open the OCD menu. Go to the gaming section. Here, make sure the refresh rate is set to the highest value supported by your monitor. Many MSI gaming monitors support 120 Hz, 144 Hz, 165 Hz, 180 Hz, or even higher refresh rates. Using the highest available refresh rate helps gameplay feel smoother and more responsive. Next, find the response time or overdrive setting. Select fast or the middle setting. This usually provides the best balance between smooth motion and image quality. Avoid the highest setting if you notice ghosting or strange trails behind moving objects. Now look for adaptive sync, FreeSync, or VRR support and turn it on if your monitor supports it. This helps reduce screen tearing and makes gameplay look smoother when frame rates change. After that, go to the picture settings. Set brightness between 70 and 80. You can increase or decrease it slightly depending on how bright your room is. Set contrast around 50 to 60. This helps maintain good detail in both bright and dark scenes. Now open the color settings, choose the standard user or RGB color mode if available. These modes usually provide the most balanced and natural looking image. Set the color temperature to normal or warm for more accurate colors and a more comfortable viewing experience. Next, adjust sharpness to a moderate level. Too much sharpness can make the image look noisy and create unwanted outlines around objects. If your monitor has night vision, black equalizer, or AI vision features, enable them at a moderate level. These features can make enemies and important details easier to see in dark areas without making the picture look washed out. Now go to your PS5 or Xbox settings. On PS5, open Settings, then go to Save Data and Game or App Settings. Select Game Presets and choose Performance Mode. This allows supported games to run at higher frame rates. On Xbox, open Settings, then go to General, TV and Display Options, and select the highest refresh rate available. Make sure 120 Hz is enabled if your monitor supports it. If your MSI monitor includes console mode, turn it on. Console mode allows many MSI QHD monitors to accept a 4K signal from PS5 or Xbox while still supporting HDR and high refresh rates, providing a better overall gaming experience. For HDR gaming, leave HDR enabled on the console if your monitor supports it. HDR can improve brightness, contrast, and color depth in supported games. However, if HDR makes the image look dull or washed out, you can turn it off and compare the results. Finally, save your settings and launch a game. Test the picture quality, brightness, and responsiveness. You can make small adjustments based on your room lighting and personal preference until everything looks perfect. These settings help improve visibility, reduce motion blur, provide smoother gameplay, and give you the best gaming experience on your MSI monitor with PS5 or Xbox.